Man, dude, that's impressive.
Yeah, pretty loud for 215.
Yeah. And a blow through. It's not even a wall, so man.
Pretty much just a box slid in.
Yeah.
I ain't gonna lie.
Man, that's a long port. Is that two 15s or three?
That's just two 15s.
Wow.
6 footers.
Man, how big is that port?
That's an 8-inch port.
How long?
It's about 36 inches.
Wow. Was that to play like tune really low or? Mm-hmm. Nice. You built this?
Yep.
Very nice, man. What level are those DC?
Those are DC level 6 basket and motors.
Okay.
SBL Courtney soft parts.
Okay. Nice. How much power? The base 30K?
Yeah.
Okay.
I ain't clamping all that power, not even close.
Are you running 16 volt?
Yeah, I charge 61.
Oh, wow. I didn't know bass could do that.
Say what?
I didn't know the bass amps can do 16 volt.
They can do 17 volts.
Yeah, okay.
I'm pretty sure the cutoff is 17 volts.
Yeah, you just taught me something. Thank you, man.
Pretty much just a box slid in.
Yeah.
I ain't gonna lie. I just sealed it off with Deadener.
It's good though, man. No bracing, or have you done any roof work?
It's 2 layers of Deadener on the roof.
Okay.
That's about it. 2 layers of Deadener on the roof and 2 layers of Deadener on the door.
Nice. What's going on, everyone? This is JacobViral. I hope you enjoyed the full walk around we just got of Chris's system at the Team Deadly Hurt show in Virginia of 2021. Looking forward to showing y'all how it sounds. This has got to be the loudest truck blow-through dual 15-inch subwoofer system that I've ever heard. Really impressive. Powerful 30,000 watt amp he's running to these dual 15-inch subs. Never really got any actual answers on if I was going to ask about the third subwoofer mount, maybe if you fit inside of the port, because it looks like that port could have been either a 15-inch sub mounts right there for 3 15s and a 4th, but he turned this long port into a 6th order box from just a slide-in box, and then he sealed it off. Really solid bracing as well, you can see on the box. And I like that you're able to see into the box from the top view, and a lot of lithium and alternator power. I didn't actually find out. Sorry about that. And he was saying he wasn't ran this base 30,000 watt amp all the way up, so he had plenty of headroom. He didn't have to clip it all, kept it clean signal, and really got the job done to showcase it at the show. So shout out to y'all, everybody watching my videos every day. Be sure to give him a like if you haven't already. Did a really good job. So we're going to get to the bass demo now. If you haven't already, consider subscribing with the notification bell on for daily car audio videos every day, and enjoy. This is pretty crazy. All right.
Pretty loud for 215.
And a blow through. It's not even a wall, so man. Thanks for the demo, man. Chris, I think. Chris Wilson.
Yep.
Thanks, man. Nice to meet you.